Hello guys, what's up? And today I have here a 2006 Craftsman electric mulching lawnmower. This thing has a 19-inch cutting path. It is powered by a cord, so you take an extension cord and run it into there at the bottom. If I can show you real quick. Right there. It's like right here. So yeah, so once you have that in, basically what you do is you pull this out like that and it starts mowing. Now if I lift this up, it has a bagger. So yeah, so it goes on these two little ends of this rod right here. The bagger is over here. So yeah, to adjust the height, you have this little lever here that you push. Yeah, basically like that. And I always keep it at the highest setting, just because I like to do that when I'm not using it, just when I'm not using it. So yeah, anyways, I have a little video from yesterday of me mowing with this thing. So I'm going to show you guys that real quick. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This might be the last mowing lawnmower video that I make for a bit, because I really don't have much to do with these things. I've already made this video, including me mowing with this. I haven't mowed with the riding mowers yet. I haven't even driven that one. But I have driven that one. But the video was kind of crappy quality, because what I did was, let me show you real quick. I put it in this little pocket right here. So it didn't really come out well, because you couldn't see much. So yeah. Anyways, I want to hopefully someday record a new video of me riding that thing. And hopefully maybe I could try driving this someday. But if that doesn't happen, I think I'm gonna leave out on doing mower videos. Probably until I get to my dad's, because he has a push mower I could take apart, because it's not gonna run and the pull start broke. It's a gas push mower. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.